Yo, what's good, everyone? I'm just over here now, redoing my spark plugs because when I changed them out last month, I didn't put it in all the way, and so what happened was I just, I crank it up, fire it up, let it sit, and so what happened was the spark plug shot out because it wasn't in all the way, and the reason why is this one here. That's what it looked like, brand new. This is a brand new spark plug, but that's what it looked like after I put it in. And I done cranked this truck up maybe about 3 or 4 times within the past month. And it sits right up in here, and that's a tight spot. So I barely can get it in there. I barely got the other ones in there, but the header is sitting right on the spark plug. And I got the L shape there, and it sits right on that sucker, man. I can't even really put it in. It sits like that. It sits on it. So I can't put it in. I can't put the spark plug in all the way like I want to, even with the socket. Not even by hand. I can get it started by hand, but that's all I can do. And so I'm taking this head off and put it in all the way and put the header back on. So eventually, I'll be changing the headers out of here, get them custom to where they can stick out farther, so I ain't got to do this in the future. All right, now I got some space in there. I got the head off, all the bolts off. Got a little bit of space, gave me some space now, so now I got the bolt. As you can see, now I got the spark plug in there. That's it right there sticking out right here. So it's still not feasible because I can get the header all the way out, because the headers are bolted up back in the back. They linked up. So what I'm gonna do now is put my spark plug socket on there and a crescent wrench on the end of it. And then from there I'm gonna twist it, get it in there all the way secure. So when I said all the way in there on the crescent wrench, I mean like this here. You see how the spark plug socket is made like that. And so I'm put it in there, twist it, take my time with it, and get it all up in there. So that's what I gotta do because the head is still sticking out on there. I thought by me taking the head off something, it did give me some space to play with, but it's a tight spot. Even with the socket extension on there, it ain't gonna do it because it's sitting on the pipe. So of course, I'm gonna have to get these headers custom, or find something else that different set of headers to go on here. There you go. The socket's on the spark plug, and the socket is sitting on the header. Still can't get the extension on there because it ain't no space. It's gonna touch the header. See? If I try to put that extension on there, it's gonna touch it. So I'm gonna have to do it by hand with my mini. There, go in there, crank, take off, crank, take off, crank, take off, crank. Do it about 10 times and that should do it. All right. Got the spark plug put back in. It kept on going, but I'm like, let me go ahead and stop how far I'm going into that bad boy because it kept going and going and going. So now I'm just put the bolts back on for the headers and tighten everything back up. Here we go. Baby fired up. She fired up. She ain't missing no more. You don't hear no little put miss air coming out, so she's good to go. I hate having to do this shit, but I'm gonna get that header replaced, man, or something, because I don't mind, but I ain't gonna want to do this shit every goddamn time, though, Now I got a little bit of smoke coming out of there, but that's probably from my body grease on the exhaust that burning off. That's all it is. Other than that, I hope that's all it is, but other than that, I'm cool with it. Shit. Say less.